to this session. In today's session, we are going to talk about the topic on the computer. In this, you will be learning about some of the computer related vocabularies, how to write an email, the words related to the email, related to the Windows, and some of the technological verbs. In this, you will be learning the concepts and the vocabularies related to all about computer. First of all, when you're traveling to Germany during the digital age, that means you will not only need to know the words, German words, to use in a restaurant or a hotel, but the terminology associated with computer and technology. This will be help you to learn in the German language some basic computer terms, as well as planning. If you're planning to seek a job, then this will definitely help you. Here are some of the equipments related to the computer. Like keyboard is called as Tastatur. Key as Taste, the Taste. Mouse, the mouse. Monitor, their monitor. Then again we can also say Bildschirm. Monitor also called as Bildschirm. Printer, that's Drucker. Plotter is their plotter. Print cartridge, that is the Patrone. Scanner is their scanner. Cable as das Kabel. Disk or floppy, that's called as the diskette. Boot floppy or disk, like the boot diskette or the router. Router is router only. DSL is DSL. Pen drive is memory stick, their memory stick. Loudsprecher, that is speaker. Microphone, that is microphone. Joystick, that's joystick. Some of the basic computer terminology. Cursor is cursor. Again we can also say Mauszeiger. Arrow as file. Left mouse button, that is linker Maustaste. And right is rechte Maustaste. File as Datei. Directory as Verzeichnis. Folder, Ordner. Button as Knopf. Browser as browser. Nickname as Spitzname. Double click, Doppelklick. Backup copy, Sicherheitskopie. Background color as Hintergrundfarbe. Table, Tabelle. Column, Spalte. Zeile is row. Zelle is cell. Anschluss, connection. Bandbreite, bandwidth. Umschalttaste, shift key. Windows Taste, Windows button. Steuerungstaste, that is control key. Feststelltaste, that is caps lock. Entfernen-Taste, delete key. Escape is escape. Then we have backup space, that is Löschtaste. Tabulator, that is tab. Device as Gerät. Benutzer, user. We can also say Anwender. Password as password, or we can also say Kennwort. Einleitung, manual. Helligkeit, brightness. Webseite, that is website. Virus is virus. Toolleiste, toolbar. Abfrage, query. CPU, Auslassung. So that is CPU as Auslassung, workload, CPU. Betriebssystem, operating system. Bildschirmschoner, screensaver. Treiber as driver. There are some vocabularies related to email. So for email we say email address, that is email address. Punkt, dot. When we say at the rate or sign, that means Affenklammer oder Affenklammerin. We can also say Zeichen oder Zeichen in the plural form. Hyphen, Bindestrich. Reply, Antwort. Attachment, Anhang. Address book, address book, hyperlink, querverweis, link is links, inbox as Posteingang, unread mails, ungelesene Mails, Draft, Entwurf, Outbox, Postausgang, Junk Mail, Verbe Mail, Spam Folder, Spam Ordner, Email Chain Letter, Email Kettenbrief. To check email, Email abrufen. To delete, löschen. To download, herunterladen, forward, Weiterleitung, and the email is email senden oder schicken, to send the email. Now here are some words related to Windows, like operating system is Betriebssystem, file, Datei, folder, Ordner, Windows Computer, Windows Rechner, Windows Key, Windows Taste, Software Application, Software Anwendung, Start Menu, Start Menu, My Computer, der Arbeitsplatz, My Document, eigene Dateien, My Picture, eigene Bilder, Musik is eigene Musik, Shared Documents, gemeinsame Dateien, Recycle Bin, Papierkorb, Advanced Settings, erweiterte Einstellung, Display, die Anzeige, Brightness, die Helligkeit, Night Monitor, Nachtmodus, Control Panel, System Stereo. User accounts, that's called as Benutzerkonto, Quick Access, Schnellzugriff, Compressed File, komprimierte Datei. Here are some of the sentences which talk about the technology. So English and German both are written here. So you can just take a look on these and try to understand that how we have to use those vocabularies in a sentence form. This is all about the technology. That's it. In this session you have to go through with all your vocabularies. These are the vocabularies which you will use in your daily life if you are going even for the studies or for the job. So go through with it, stay tuned, and see you in our next session.